Hey guys, it's Anna here, and I am so excited. I'm extra excited every time I receive a Simply Gilded box. This is the August box, the beautiful, beautiful August box I've been so excited for. This was shipped out not even a month ago. This was shipped, I think, in the middle or late August, and I already have it in my hands. I think that's a record of like ever. So that's a surprise. Either way, of course, I'm super, super happy and thankful about it. And I'm just gonna get into unboxing it and finally seeing it with my own eyes. I'm so excited! Alright, so here's the back, but here is the front. Park Avenue. Actually, it's a bit smaller than I expected. The past boxes have been quite big, as in the box itself. This is actually on the smaller side. Reminds me of the older Simply Gilded boxes. But it has this beautiful, almost like chocolatey brown foiling to it. I love here, it says good things come in pink packages. And this is a very like pastel, muted, soft blush pink color. So super gorgeous. And I'm, so excited to get into it. So let's get started. Starting from this side. Let us see. Oh my goodness. Oh, yes. Ooh, we have, yes. Oh, there's so many pretty things in this one. Oh, this month is probably one of my favorites ever. I don't even know where to start. I'm flipping through too much. Where should I start? Where do I usually start? I don't know. Maybe I should just start with this big thing right here. We get another beautiful sticker book this month. I think the last one we got was May. This time it's this beautiful plaid style pattern that is featured throughout the box with rose gold hardware. And this, I just think this gray, it's a warmish gray, some brown tones to it, with this nudish blush pink inside. And we've seen these before, but I do love these, and they fit the mini sheets perfectly. And you can put die cuts in here, or you can make this into like a photo album or scrapbooking, whatever you want. I feel like you can get really creative with these. And I love them because the sleeves are super clear and they're like, they're not matte, you know, they're really nice, glossy. So it works really well for storage or display of colored photos or pictures or whatever. And I mean, they're just beautiful. Super cute item, and I love that Irene has started making these. Going with that colorway, we have the pen, which is the same as you can see. It's a beautiful pen. It gives Chanel vibes for sure, with like their beautiful, I don't think it's not called plaid. This is called something else. I actually can't remember right now. I know that I know it somewhere in the back of my head. Okay, so I couldn't figure it out, but it's called tweed. That's the name. I had to Google it up and I just wanted to know right away. Tweed, that's what this resembles. We have the beautiful bow on top, and it's her standard gorgeous pens. Love it. Rose gold hardware. Rose gold is the theme of the month, which I'm really happy about because I think after regular gold, rose gold is my favorite. Next up, I have a beautiful item which we have not received in probably over a year, which is a key fob, and I love this packaging. Super, super cute, and it's a beautiful little key ring with her character Jasper the bear. Super adorable. And we have Jasper holding a little heart, and we have a little Simply Gilded bow there. And I love that this keyring is a heart, but we also have the clasp. This is a very shiny rose gold. Do you see that? Ooh, looks super luxurious. I love that. I feel like this charm would be super cute for like a Valentine's planner setup or around Valentine's Day. The colors are all super like soft. Even softer, actually, I feel like in person than online. But beautiful. Love this little guy. All right, next up, I believe is the mystery item. I should have done a disclaimer, but either way, this I have not seen before. Oh my goodness. It's like a card holder, right? And it's like a shimmery, nudish, pinkish color. And we have this little thing here. You can put this on your keys. Look at that. You can put cards or receipts in here, and you have 2 card slots with a beautiful scalloped edge. There's no on this side though, but we have the Simply Gilded logo there. So you could technically like put this on here and style this out and about and put your keys. Or maybe you could clip it on like this and then put your keys somewhere. I don't know. But what a beautiful combination. I mean, what a great idea. I don't really use card holders that much, but technically also I realized you could put washi sample cards in here and just stock up on a bunch of washi on the go. That would be a fun idea too. But how beautiful does this look together? I just love this so much. Next up, we have sticky notes. I love when Irene includes sticky notes. I wish these were like a monthly staple because I love them so much. And here are this month's. It's this beautiful pattern that it's like different flowers, florals, just beautiful. And we have their sticky on the top here and it says notes, and it's a really soft rose gold border all around, and the packaging is gorgeous. As always, I mean, Irene always kills it with everything. I love that they're just beautiful, but you have a big space to write on. So they're really, really functional too and practical, which is what I'm living for at the moment. Then we have the beautiful, super cute notebook. And I'm gonna get this out of the packaging and then show you. So here we have it. It's a beautiful illustration of Jasper on the front with a bow around his neck. This is a different style of drawing or painting, I would say, compared to the others. Looks a little more rough, but super cute nonetheless. And on the back, we have that foiled chocolate bow. Super pretty, and that beautiful illustration, once again, similar to the sticky notes. Irene has managed to combine so many like cute, sophisticated, and luxury styles in this one setup, and it just works. I love how inclusive this is in many ways. We have the super adorable Jasper the Bear, which is more of a cutesy kawaii style. Then we have the luxury like Chanel style pattern, and then this really soft, just pretty floral like drawing or painting, and I think that's like so creative. I am stunned with Irene's way of combining things. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. Okay, so next up we have the journaling card. This has to be one of my very favorite journaling cards ever that Irene has come out with. I am just living for this illustration of Jasper. We have the heart, we have the bow, and Jasper himself, and little cute. I love that the paw print is like little hearts. You see that? Super, super cute. And we have the tweed backing once again. This one you can see in comparison looks a lot more gray and muted. This one has a bit more contrast to it, much like the pen. It all goes beautifully together though. I'm always loving the Simply Gilded cards, and I'm really excited to put this in a setup, hopefully really, really soon. And then, let's see, we have the stickers here, and these, I don't know when I'm gonna use this kit, because I kind of want to hoard it forever, but I also want to use it, of course, but it's just that it's so beautiful, and I don't know, I'm just stunned with this kit. So this is the sticker kit. We have 2 sets of day covers as usual, and we have this beautiful cityscape, which we will see more of. Loving it. And it's like a matte rose gold foiling. And then, oh, unbearably lovable. Oh, I love that. I love puns. Then we have the second sheet here. Beautiful. I love this all so much. And these little deco definitely, you know, screams Park Avenue more than anything else, I would say. That is, since the box is called Park Avenue. And then we have the mini sheets here. We have the sheet of date dots or date hearts in this case. Oh my goodness, we get 2 of them? Oh, that's interesting. Usually we get 1 sheet of deco and 1 of the date dots, but this time we have, so these are technically the same sheet, except 1 is like foiled and on clear, and 1 is with this cute, gorgeous blush nude pink. All right, then we have the deco mini sheet. Not just deco, but we have some deco here of Jasper, some half boxes and an extra full box and some checklists. Super pretty. Then we have the beautiful bow seals. Love these so much. I just think they're beautiful. And that is all the stickers. I love that we get so many stickers these days in the Simply Gilded box. Now let us move on to the washi. I love these bags that the washi have started to come in because you can really reuse them for something, I feel like, and they're super pretty, which I love. Pretty and functional things. That's like my whole thing right now. It has to be pretty, but I would love it to be functional as well, and the other way around. So this month we get a whole bunch of washi. I think it's 7 rolls total. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, just in the main subscription. And I'm gonna open at least some of these up because I want to roll them out because I think they will look beautiful. These, I feel like I have something very similar to these two, but we will see. Maybe I will go and compare. We also have the 5mm add-on, which I'm also subscribed to. So with that, I'm getting like, is it 11 rolls total? Yeah. And these are beautiful too. I love this design here with the little tiny hearts and the bows. And the scallop design is always one of my favorites. So, so beautiful. All right, so here we have the beautiful washi all rolled out. I took my chance to take some Insta pictures, so that's why it looks a little bit different all around here. If you want to follow my Instagram, by the way, my handle is at Hannahs_Haven_, so make sure to check that out if you want to see some original posts and pictures and creative stuff from me. Either way, I'm loving this so much. I don't think we've ever gotten this many washis in one box. Maybe we have, but that must have been a long time ago. The top one here is a beautiful... It really reminds me of one of those bracelets, but it's hearts instead of circles. I can't exactly... It's a Cartier. I can't remember exactly the brand that does those, but either way, this is a perforated one to use as a header. We have another perforated one to use as headers, which is a task functional washi. We have a beautiful bow washi, the standard one. This beautiful cityscape is my favorite one in this box, and it's my favorite washi that Irene has released in a long time, probably. One of my very favorites of hers ever. The little houses really does remind me of Amsterdam, which I've been there, and it's really special for that reason. I love that this pink background is a bit more bright than the muted blush pinks. Then we have the 10mm bow. Then we have a sparkly bow. This one, she has included these sparkly washis in these past recent boxes. And this is one of those. So it has almost like a sugary feel to it. But it's of that newer bow that I don't think we've seen on a washi before, so that's interesting. Then we have the beautiful plaid or tweed-like washi, also one of my favorites in this box. And then we have the 5mm add-ons, just beautiful and goes together so nicely with everything. So yeah. Alright guys, so that was it for the beautiful Simply Gilded August Park Avenue themed subscription box. I love it so much. One of my very favorite she's ever done, I think, and I am so excited to start to use these items. I do have an idea of where I'm gonna put some of them at least, and once I do, I can't wait to show you that as well. But now I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of my Simply Gilded unboxings or my planner setups, see what I do with these items, subscribe to my channel because there will be coming more videos as always. And yeah, once again, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye for now.